electron the cathode rays J.J. Thomson's 1897. In 1897, J.J. Thomson observed that when an electric discharge from a high potential source is passed through a gas contained in a Gessler discharge tube at low pressure and high voltage, rays shoot out from the cathode, which is called cathode rays. He observed that at different low pressure, different observation was obtained. On examining their properties, Thomson observed that these rays consist of negatively charged particles. Now, properties of cathode rays. Cathode rays are shot out normally from the surface of the cathode irrespective of the position of anode. Cathode rays are found to be made of fast moving electrons, therefore they are negatively charged. They exert mechanical pressure by virtue of their momentums. Cathode rays travel in a straight line in the free space with high speeds varying from 10 to the power 7 to 10 to the power 8 meter per second. They ionize a gas through which they pass and make it conducting. Cathode rays produce enough heat when they are allowed to fall on a matter by virtue of their kinetic energy. Cathode rays exhibit fluorescence and the glow color is different for different substances. Example, willemite green, anthocyanite blue. Cathode rays are deflected by magnetic and electric fields. The direction of their deflection in magnetic and electric fields confirms that they carry negative charge. They affect a photographic plate similar to that of light. When cathode rays are stopped by a heavy metal target, tungsten, platinum, molybdenum, etc., a penetrating radiation is emitted, which is known as X-rays. However, it was observed that the electrons have the same properties irrespective of any gas or material used for electrode. This clearly indicates that electrons are common constituents of all matter. Thomson further confirmed this experimentally by determining the charge by mass E/m ratio, which is called a specific charge for the electron, and found it to be almost constant. Hence, electron is one of the fundamental particles.